Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini Bhimanpalli. I've done my internship as equity research intern at Insect Solutions. Today I'm going to tell what I have learned in this internship. First of all, I've learned theoretical part of equity research, like what is equity research. And equity research do the analysis and make the report and give to the investors, and he recommend to the investors to hold or sell or to buy the stock of a particular company. And I also learn ratios like liquidity ratios, valuation ratios, and time value of money, securities, stock is also equal to equity securities, preference share, debt securities, book bonds. There are types of bonds like fixed rate bonds, floating or fluctuating bonds, zero interest bonds, and inflation linked bonds. And the next one is mutual funds. Mutual fund is very good for the people who don't have any expertise in investing and trading their money. They can go to mutual funds. Mutual funds do collect the money from people, and they invest in the best stocks, and by exchange of that they take commissions. And there are also types of mutual funds like equity schemes, money market funds, fixed income, hybrid income plan, and balance funds. Stock market analysis and portfolio management I have learned. And there are initial public offering and follow-on public offering. These both are different from each other, because initial public offering process through which a private company offers its shares to the public for the first time. And I have also learned mergers and acquisition, how a big company acquires a small company, and what is their deal, and what are the reasons for the deal, and what are their profits after their merger and acquisition. What is stock market, what is investment banking. And I've understood the financial statements and also analyzed the financial statements of any company. And I have learned technical analysis in this. I have done intra trade of for once, means I have bought one stock and I have sold it. I went through loss in that project. And next one I have learned is financial statements. I have done financial statement on Infosys company. And the next assignment was on equity research report. I have done report on PNG company. And next we have learned communication skills, means it comes in soft skills, presentation skills, personality development skills, soft skill training, and stress management for students, and time management. And I have also done financial modeling of Alphabet, which is Google. And I have done merger and acquisition of Tata Steel and Chorus company. What was the process and all. Have done included everything in that. Next one is venture capital and private equity. I've done venture capital report on how Facebook have taken over on WhatsApp. And I have completed my life project, and it's my last video. And thank you.